Hi friends, welcome to our channel Modern and Divine Homes. This is Dr. Jaskiran. I already told you this is not only my channel, this is everybody's channel. So today I will tell you about the one-stop solution for cleaning problems or kitchen problems in winter, or the cleaning in kitchen in winters. So guys, this is the instant water heater. The name is written on it. I took it for 1 year before, and I took it for 3,000 rupees. So this is a Fandbear company, Atlantic Immedio Blue. So this is written on it, and it is ISI certified. So guys, with this all my problems are sorted out. So in winters, last winters I took this, and I have to wash the utensils in winter, and I got fall ill very easily. So I took this last year only in winters. So it has solved all my cleaning problems in the kitchen. We usually wash utensil in the winter 3 times a day, so it becomes cumbersome for the working women and the older people. It has become difficult for the working women and elder people to work 3 times a day in the kitchen and wash their utensils side by side of a family which is of large number. So guys, with this all the problems are resolved, and it is moreover an instant water heater. Whenever you have to wash utensils, you have to just on it, and you get the instant water. So this is used for the pregnant ladies because they usually fall ill very easily, and they have to keep themselves away from the diseases like cough and cold in winter. So this is the best product for them. This is also good for lactating mothers whose babies easily fall ill when they work in cold water. So this is also good for the lactating mothers who have small kids, who have to take care of the family along with the kids and work 3 times a day in the kitchen along with. This is also the best product for the elder people. The elder people usually are those who are living in a joint family, or those who are living separately or in isolation with the other members of the family. Usually 2 members who are elder, they are living together, and they face many problem issues of cleaning in winter. So this is the best product for them. They can take this and wash 3 times the utensils a day, and there is not any problem that they might got by fever and cough and cold. So that is why, because moreover these type of age group are easily fall ill, and due to lack of immunity, like elder peoples and lactating mothers and the pregnant women. And basically this is used only when you require it, and you don't forget to off the button when it is not required. Generally I open it 3 times a day when I wash a small amount of utensils in the kitchen. Generally we have 4 family members, and the utensils sometimes are more or less according to the dishes served in the morning, afternoon and evening. This is also my personal experience. I generally fall ill when I work in the cold water in winters, especially when I wash utensils in the winter due to low immunity. So that is why I took this only the last year. So all these problems are get resolved. So I recommend this to the pregnant women, lactating mothers and the elder members of the family. Not only that, this is for the family members who are living in a joint family. I recommend this to them also. Along with that, I also got a manual Hindware Atlantic water heaters, instant electric water heater. This is owner's manual, and you know, we can get these electric heaters of various capacities. Like this is of 1 liter and 3 ml, 1 liter and 3 liter. So this is usually varies from 1 liter to 3 liter of capacity. It also comes with a warranty card, which is given at the back, and it has a warranty of almost 1 year, which is almost complete now, and I don't face any problem with that because it is not yet damaged, and you know, its heating element is still working properly. And because you know, you have to take care of the product like we take care of ourselves, so it will go on and on and on. Like we fall ill and you know, get ourselves cured by having some medicines or getting in touch with a regular physician. So we should take care of our products also, like we take care of ourselves also. I believe in that personally. This is my experience. I believe in that. If you take care of your products regularly, definitely your products will take care of yourself also. Thank you for watching. And if there is any query regarding that, you can you know, have a comments on that by visiting my channel. I can sort out all your queries regarding this. Thanks for watching. So guys, generally these things are not covered under the warranty, so I will read it out for you. The warranty, however, doesn't cover breakage or damage of components made by ABEN and similar taken by the customer. Wear and tear of parts, in company's opinion, is normal. So you know, it generally happens. Damages resulting from misuse, accident or negligence on the part of customer. Liability for consequential loss or damage is neither accepted nor implied. To avail the warranty, kindly ensure that the details on both the sides of copies of the warranty card provided are filled in. Please mail the company's copy within 5 days of purchase. So I have mailed the warranty card, so that is why I think it will soon over. Because now few days are left since I purchased this in the last year.